Now the next is how to find the complement of a set. To find the complement of a set, we must have one universal set. Basically, it is like this, that if U is any universal set having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say for example, U is any universal set and A and B are its subsets. Suppose if A has the elements 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is having the elements 4, 5, 6, 7. Now question is, what is the complement of a set? If we want to find the complement of A, then we symbolically represent it as A dash, that is complement of A, and is equals to U minus A. That means very simply you can say that complement of any set is equals to universal set minus that set whose complement we are going to calculate. So elements belonging in the universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If from this universal set you subtract the elements containing the A, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the result will come out as 1, 2 cannot be, it is deleted, 3, 4, 5. What left? 1, 6 and 7. So set of elements 1, 6, 7 is the complement of set A, number 1. For the next example, what is the complement of set B? To find the complement of set B, same process, B dash is equals to universal set minus set B. We have in the universal set, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus B, B stands for, it is 4, 5, 6, 7. So now result is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not be the part of this. So the answer of set B complement is what? 1, 2, 3. So as and when you want to find the complement of any set, it means that all element of that set needs to be removed from the element of the universal set.